Okay. So I just started my master's work. I'm in the master's and PhD program in the Department of Geosciences, and I was given a fellowship through the Climate Science Center. Well, my undergrad was at Ohio State. I majored in atmospheric science, which is basically weather, and economics. So it's a kind of a weird combination. I did a lot of research in undergrad regarding climate change. I worked at the Bird Polar Research Center at Ohio State, which focuses on looking at ice core records. So I kind of had an understanding of climate research. So I looked around for grad schools and I saw that UMass had a really great graduate program in geosciences, and they did a lot of great work in climate research. And the reason I fit so well with the Climate Science Center, I think, and becoming a fellow is because I really like to look at the impacts of the research. I don't just want to do the research and hand it off to someone else to figure out, okay, how is that going to affect us? I want to do that too, and that's a big part of the Climate Science Center. And I think my social science background with economics really kind of helps me understand that, and I really want to use that. I want to look at the implications of it too, of what I'm doing, and keep that in mind throughout the whole research project. And my research is specifically going to focus on looking at a really high resolution reconstruction of the climate over the past 2,000 years in the Northeast. Yeah, so my work is, at least my master's work is mostly, it's probably going to be just paleoclimate. That being said, one of the overall goals is obviously to be able to reconstruct the past to get a better interpretation of what's happening now. So my advisor, Ray Bradley, he kind of introduced me to the project. Generally we've developed it since then. It's mainly just me and him working on it. I don't really work with other grad students on it yet. That being said, the project is also part of another research group. It's part of past Global Climate Changes group, PAGES for short. It's part of the 2K project, which is looking at climate variability over the past 2,000 years. So I am working as part of in that work group. I really like the all the different opportunities that they give to us in it. They have weekly or bi-weekly webinars series, or they find people to give presentations on really interesting stuff. It's really broad and interdisciplinary, which is really interesting and keeps it fresh, and I love it. So it's great. Yeah.